Bien, hoy tengo que hacer la compra. Necesito pan, leche, huevos, verduras, carne, pescado y también cerveza. Bueno, vamos a la tienda ahora. Vamos para allá. Vamos a un supermercado muy grande. Hasta ahora. Hola, buenos días. Soy Keith. This is Keith and this is Speak Spanish Easily. Y esto es hablar español fácilmente. And today we're going to learn some really useful food vocabulary by going shopping in a real Spanish supermarket. Before we go shopping, primero, let me tell you some very useful verbs. You saw me driving in the car, right? And I said, tengo que hacer la compra. I have to, hacer la compra, to do the shopping. When you go shopping for food, right? Also, necesito, I need. Necesito pan. Necesitamos pan. We always need bread in our house. I'm not sure why we eat so much. The other one, me gusta. I like something. Me gusta la leche. If it's a plural thing, we say me gustan something. Me gustan los huevos. For example, I like eggs. And just before we go shopping, I'd love to give you some very basic grammar. You can't go shopping without grammar, right? So, very basic. A quick reminder, right? Things or nouns in Spanish are either masculine or feminine. So, un is a or an for a masculine thing. Un huevo. Una is a or an for a feminine thing. For example, una verdura. Esto es una verdura. A vegetable. We've got el is the for masculine things, el pan, and la is the for feminine things. La leche es la leche. And if it's plural, we've got los for masculine things, right? Los huevos. And las for feminine things. Las verduras. The vegetables, las verduras. Me gustan las verduras. ¿Y a ti? So, let's get into the supermarket and learning some very useful vocabulary for talking about food, la comida. Vámonos. Aquí estamos en Carrefour. Es un supermercado muy grande. Mira. Let's go and see the vegetables. Vamos a ver las verduras. Un tomate. Un plátano. También es un banana. Una zanahoria. Y un pepino para la ensalada. Pimiento verde y pimiento rojo. La lechuga para la ensalada. También hay brócoli. El brócoli. Un melón. Es muy pesado. Naranjas. La piña. A mí me gusta el mango. Hay muchas manzanas. Manzanas verdes y manzanas rojas. Y claro, también tenemos peras, que también me gustan las peras. I almost forgot the beer, la cerveza. There are beers from all over the world here. La cerveza rubia is very, very popular, but I like la cerveza tostada, which is a kind of a darker, like ale, if you like. And I'm going for the old San Miguel, Manga Selecta. It's a nice kind of tasty ale-like beer. That'll do me. So now you have some useful words so you can go shopping in Spain or any other Spanish-speaking country. Just a point, I am teaching the Spanish of Spain, so sometimes this pronunciation in other Spanish-speaking countries may be a bit different, and there may be some slight differences in words as well. However, the Spanish in Spain, Central and South America are all mutually intelligible. So now you can say, tengo que hacer la compra, necesito leche, me gustan las verduras, and lots of things like that. If you liked the video, do give me a like and subscribe. Remember to turn on notifications so you can find out about other videos coming up soon. And I will see you in the next video. Nos vemos en el próximo video. Muchas gracias y hasta luego.